Welcome to AiCare tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage Rockbands. As a system administrator, you can list Rockbands, add a Rockband, edit a Rockband, or delete a Rockband. When you first navigate to the Rockbands page under Devices, you will see all the Rockbands registered in the system that is available to you. The list of Rockbands may be too long. In this case, you can filter the list by choosing the Filter By drop-down and choose a facility type, for example, by enterprise, by venue, or by building. Depending on the value chosen, you may have further filtering options. This will filter the Rockbands listed by the selected facility type. You can add a Rockband by using the Add button in the Rockbands list. Click the Add button, and the Add Rockband dialog will be displayed. Enter the details of the Rockband. You will also associate the Rockband to a resident in this dialog. Click the Add button to finish adding the Rockband. Once the Rockband is added, you may change this information by editing it. First, locate the Rockband you like to edit. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the MAC address. Then click the Edit button above. The Edit Rockband dialog will be displayed. Make changes to the details of the Rockband and click the Edit button to commit the changes. You can also reassign the Rockband to a different resident this way. If a Rockband was created by mistake or being decommissioned, you can delete it. First, locate the Rockband you like to delete. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the MAC address. Then click the Delete button above. A confirmation dialog will be displayed. Click Confirm Delete to finish deleting the Rockband. This concludes the Manage Rockbands tutorial. Thank you for watching.